As the Illinois workforce evolves, employers are building partnerships to support apprenticeship programs that will strengthen their talent pipelines and foster long-term opportunities for dedicated career seekers. Rock River Valley Tooling and Machining Association runs one of the largest manufacturing apprenticeship programs in the country, partnering with businesses, educators, and local workforce development professionals to help train the next generation of machinist apprentices.
So when member companies find apprentices, they send them to us, and we do 4 years of schooling, and we also try to find apprentices to get into our program and then send them to member companies.
For manufacturers like Bourn & Co. in Rockford, Illinois, these partnerships are essential to identifying and solving skill gaps and connecting with the right resources. Resources like the Workforce Connection help employers secure state funding and provide high-quality candidate referrals, making apprenticeship accessible for businesses of all sizes.
The Workforce Connection supports Boone, Winnebago, and Stevenson County. We are really committed to helping businesses come up with innovative and progressive solutions so that they can attract and retain a talent pipeline.
But the Workforce Connection doesn't just support apprenticeships, they help build them. Their apprenticeship specialists meet directly with companies and business owners to understand their needs and build customized workforce solutions.
As the apprenticeship specialist, I go through and I work with companies to develop and register apprenticeship programs. We offer those services for free and help the company to go through and develop that apprenticeship program from concept to registration.
With this comprehensive support, companies like Bourn & Co. can focus on their workforce and preparing new employees for long-term success.
The Workforce Connection has access to so many things that we otherwise wouldn't even know about.
Over 180 miles south of Rockford, this is Madison County, proud home to West Star Aviation.
It used to be very easy to hire, and all of a sudden there was more and more aviation jobs and not enough people.
But like in Rockford, local partnerships help this program reach its full potential.
We started collaborating with Madison County Workforce Innovation Board. We started talking to Southwestern Illinois College, and we started bouncing the ideas off of our program managers.
With curricular support from Southwestern Illinois College and guidance from Madison County's workforce development team, the pieces started to come together for West Star Aviation.
They were able to help us structure a path that allowed us to organize the program and be able to launch it.
West Star also learned about funding opportunities that helped take their apprenticeship program to the next level.
We knew there was some access to funding for an apprenticeship program, but we had no idea the depth of how much was there that we weren't tapping because we did not have a structured formal curriculum and formal training.
West Star now receives tax credits and grant funds to help offset the cost of bringing in and developing new talent. And just like the Workforce Connection, Madison County Workforce Development simplifies everything.
We're that government entity, but with us and West Star, we're their partner. We've become part of their hiring process. We've partnered with West Star on it from posting job openings and screening and helping them determine apprenticeships to providing funds for on-the-job training.
Collaboration is the foundation of workforce development.
It's one of the strengths of Southwestern Illinois and Economic Development Region 9 is the collaboration between the workforce areas and other entities. We try to braid resources together.
Collaboration, I cannot say strongly enough, is really critical. The idea of West Star Academy was really just an idea, but without all the people that went into putting it together, we wouldn't have had the traction we did to really get it from an idea to we're opening the doors in, like I said, 90 days.
Bourn & Co. and West Star Aviation's successes are just two examples of what strong apprenticeship partnerships can unlock. Apprenticeships drive company growth and build fierce loyalty among employees.
Apprenticeship allows employers like West Star and others to develop their own employees. The business benefits because they get a lot better retention outcomes, and the apprentice themselves benefits obviously because it gives them an opportunity to train for a better life while they're also receiving a wage so that they're able to sustain themselves through the training program.
I mean, you see the economy improve, you see more businesses saying, hey, how do I become part of that? How do we work with this sort of collaborative effort for everybody's benefit?
If you're ready to build your talent pipeline through powerful partnerships, visit apprenticeshipillinois.com.